We imagined it for years, packages descending from the sky delivered to our doorsteps. But the future is here. Drone delivery is rapidly becoming a reality, transforming how we receive goods. Imagine your online order arriving in minutes, not days. Vital medical supplies reaching remote communities within hours. This is the promise of drone delivery, poised to revolutionize our world. The use of unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, can be traced back to the early 20th century, primarily for military purposes. However, their potential for civilian applications, particularly in logistics, was quickly recognized. Early experiments with drone delivery began in the 2010s, with companies like Amazon and Google exploring their potential. These early efforts faced numerous challenges, from regulatory hurdles to technological limitations. Fast forward to today. Advancements in drone technology, battery life, and navigation systems have made drone delivery a viable option for businesses and organizations worldwide. From delivering pizzas to transporting medical supplies, drones are proving their worth across various sectors. The evolution of drone delivery is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. But this is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications for drones in the delivery sector. The future holds immense possibilities, limited only by our imagination. The impact of drone delivery is being felt globally, transforming lives and communities in both urban and rural settings. In Rwanda, a country with challenging mountainous terrain, drones are being used to deliver vital medical supplies, such as blood and vaccines, to remote clinics. This has significantly reduced delivery times, saving countless lives. Meanwhile, in Reykjavik, Iceland, drones are being used to deliver groceries and other essential items to residents, reducing traffic congestion and carbon emissions. These examples highlight the versatility and transformative potential of drone delivery in diverse contexts. From improving healthcare access to enhancing urban logistics, drones are making a tangible difference. The success stories emerging from around the world demonstrate the transformative power of this technology. It's not just about delivering packages, it's about delivering hope, improving lives, and building a more connected and sustainable future. Section 4: The Green Edge Drones and Sustainability. Drones offer a cleaner, greener alternative to traditional delivery methods. Trucks and vans contribute significantly to air pollution and traffic congestion. Electric-powered drones produce zero tailpipe emissions. They reduce the carbon footprint of last-mile deliveries. Flying over traffic jams minimizes environmental impact. Embracing drone delivery creates sustainable logistics chains. Section 5: Navigating the Challenges, Regulations and Public Perception. Despite its immense potential, drone delivery is not without its challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is the need for robust regulations to ensure the safe and responsible operation of drones in our airspace. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to integrate drones into existing air traffic control systems while addressing concerns about privacy and security. Public perception also plays a crucial role in the successful adoption of drone delivery. Concerns about noise pollution, privacy violations, and the potential for accidents need to be addressed through transparent communication and public education campaigns. Building trust and understanding among the public is essential for realizing the full potential of this transformative technology. Overcoming these challenges requires a collaborative effort involving policymakers, industry leaders, and the public. Open dialogue, informed decision-making, and a commitment to safety and transparency are crucial for unlocking the full potential of drone delivery while addressing legitimate concerns. Section 6: Looking Ahead, a sky full of promise. As we look to the future, the sky is literally the limit for drone delivery. Advancements in AI, battery tech, and navigation are making drones more efficient. Expect larger payloads, longer flights, and sophisticated delivery mechanisms. Imagine organ transplants not limited by distance and emergency responders deploying life-saving equipment. Access to essential goods and services will be improved. The sky is a vast canvas for progress. The future of delivery is taking flight, full of promise.